Oh, good day, Tassie Rednecks. Today's Thursday, and we're going forward driving. So, let's fucking go. Oh, I got Mr. Casey waiting out there. Oh, here we go. We was going to fix these bikes up. Flat tyre. And then, couldn't be stuffed, so I took the old Mr. Rodney Casey bikes fucking for a ride. And he's decided to go flat on the back, so... Fucking just my luck. Got some supplies. We've just been up to the bottle shop. I've got everything we need to go for a little bit of a trip. So let's join us on a bit of an afternoon with Tassie and Rodney Redneck. I can see a fucking ginger head bobbing up and down there. There it is. Fucking popping his head over there like a little fucking meerkat. Going on, Rodney. Look at that. Oh, you fucking nice hits. Not a bad trailer, eh? Nice fucking hitchwoods under there. Boys, eh? She's a fucking good setup. Fucking nice jockey. Oh, anyways. The solar panel up there. Reverse camera. Beautiful. Beautiful setup. So, we're going up to these, I don't know whether you'll be able to sort this or not, I can show you in a second. We're going up to them mountains up there. Probably can't see them because they're behind the big fucking tree, but we'll give you a look in a sec. Alright, got everything, buddy? Oh, I've got some supplies, some fucking pizza. Oh, we've got a bit of the old inheritance. Beautiful. Fine tile, Tawny. Oh, I didn't show him your sticker, buddy. I've got to show him your sticker. Check this out, Rednecks. Rodney Redneck. Skillipidupper. So we're on the road, boys. I just had a fucked up moment. I just had a red band moment, boys, if you know what I'm referring to. Sort of, in the way of a red band moment. Fucked up. But anyway, that happens in life. Can't do fucking much about it once it's happened. But anyway, so we're following the Zuzu. The same, what was it? Same as this, but...
That one's a four-door version of an estate.
Okay.
That one's Vitara.
It's Suzuki Estate. An estate, boys. So we're off to the fucking... Where are we going anyway? Dial.
Yeah, the old penguin terminal.
Cool.
The old penguin Ulverstone.
Let's get some fucking Ep1of sticks into us. After that fucking shit, mate, that was fucking so fucked and stretched. Oh my god. Casey stink ball bag blowing in the breeze there. Your stinky ball bag thing blowing around there. You fucking scrotum fucking dust sack. Just cut the corner. Yep.
Look that bastard there.
Hey, fucking hell. He did a good job, boys, eh? People know how to drive around here. That's why I'm taking him out of town to go for a drive. Because he can't drive in here, we'll get too many accidents. Kill me. Nah, he's a good fucking driver, this one. One turn already, there you go. Redneck, that's pretty cool. Yeah, just that one little blemish there, we'll have to fix that up. That wasn't too much, eh? It's only vinyl, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's only vinyl. Only vinyl. Vinyl, Lionel. So anyway, boys, we'll get up closer to where we're going and we'll show you what's going on. So I don't know whether you can see there, boys, but that's where we're going. Well, not all the way to the top of the fucker, but we're going up to them mountains up there. Up to the Dial Ranges. had quite a bit of fun last time we were there, didn't we, bud?
Yeah.
Got a bit wet. I got the old front of the fucking Zeus a bit wet. There's been no goose on the road yet, so it's been pretty fucking good. With the Vulva. I don't know if you can see it. You can't really, I don't know whether you can notice it through the camera. It gets a bit wobbly when you go over 100 k's.
Yeah, well, I'm sitting on 100 down in the Redneck Pavilion.
In the Redneck Pavilion. Where you at? Up the Gundy. Too bad now. Oh no, just as you fucking say it, she goes. So we're about to turn off up there, boys. That's the start of her. There we go. We're going up into that. Off for a trip with the fucking rednecks.
I reckon there's been quite a few people over the years take that fucking penguin sign out.
Nice load of fucking wood there. Let's hitch that up to the fucking back, mate. Take her home. What do they want for it? They got a sign on it? 130 fucking... Fuck off. 130 bucks.
I can fucking stay there for that price.
Straight up the mountain. We used to go climbing up through that one. Montgomery, out Montgomery. That's a fucking hell of a hill to climb up, dude. Into the wilderness, boys, into the wilderness. And only fucking what? Only 10 minutes from home, not even that. Not even 10 minutes from home, boys.
So it's back of Penguin more or less, so.
And we're right on the coastline too. Like, the coast is about probably 3 minutes back behind us, not even that. 2 minutes, 3 minutes behind us. And that's fucking just the start of the Alpine. Fucking.
We'll go to the old tip site first. Have a sticky back up.
Go and have a look on the tip, see if we can have a fucking scrounge. Do a bit of scrapping, boys, bit of scrapping.
Yeah, alright. See what's up there.
Rednecks are always a good fan of the scrapping bids. We haven't done a scrapping bid yet. Oh yeah, we did do one, didn't we? Went there and fucking up to the scrapyard where you took me over there. But I can't find it on the bloody, on the thingamadoodle, so I don't know. That's cool, that's fucking cool, man. Rodney Redneck. What are you stopping for? Oh, you're not?
That there is a part of the fucking BMX track.
Oh yeah, check out that. That's pretty cool.
And that is something I am.
Don't know if you can sort that, boys.
That's something I am.
So just going to show you this, boys. I thought Rodney was going to drive up the fucking track. There's my bud. How you doing? Oh, fuck. I thought Rodney was going to drive up the track, but he just wanted to show me this. This is part of the fucking BMX track here. It links up to all the tracks we're about to go into. But check that shit out, boys. Fuck me. Well, I can't walk up that shit. The cunt's a fucking game, whoever it is, to go down that fucker. Whoa, it's a... You got that right, buddy. That's a fair way down. So she goes all the way up the mountain. And you come down all the way from the top of that fucking mountain to like Check that shit out. Oh. They got balls, boys. Oh, fuck, they got balls. Anyway. Back onto the fucking thing at hand. Woo! Hey, hey! Oh, boys! Oh, we nearly fucking caved her in. Woo! Right on the toes. Oh, we nearly come a fucking stovepiper then. Fucking Christ. Oh, shit. You see that, buddy? She was fucking close. Oh, we didn't, it was nearly one redneck down. Redneck down, redneck down. Yeah.
By the looks of it, you follow the route, follow that track.
Yeah.
It comes down here where the fucking rocks and that are.
Oh, here's another.
Fuck, you need a four-wheel drive. Just keep
Mate, you should see the fucking jumps of the fucking camber on that ramp. It's fucked. The Ackerman, boys. The fucking Ackerman on it, eh? Pug, you should get over here. Pug one should get over here. Jumps and fucking lawn chairs on that motherfucker. Beg my pardon. No through road.
Don't care, I know it's not a nice through road.
We'll make our own tracks. That's what the whole idea is, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
We've got our fucking pokey stick this time, boys, so...
There's a track down here. I want to fucking use my photo stick to fucking find out how bad it is and where it goes to.
Are we going into that hole we went to last time?
No, that's up the other side.
We're on the different side of the mountain, boys. Apologies. But yeah, this thing here is comes in a bit handy because last time we fucking had a few puddles that a little bit deeper than what we thought they were, eh?
Yeah, fucking hell.
And so we sort of, yeah, had a little bit of an accident. Let's just say Casey's car needed, would have been better if it had fucking nappies on. Or floaties on, yeah.
Floaties would have been better.
Depends. Righto, so.
Down this road here.
Yeah, here we go, boys. We're into it. Let's see where we're going. Oh, that's the. What is it? We got the fucking
Cradle.
Mount Montgomery State Reserve. Oh, I can't even sign. What the fuck? Penguin Cradle Trail, the Dial Range walking tracks. Let's go. Look out in there growing their fucking marijuana woods. Is he fucking dumping shit? Oh no. Oh no, he's filling his fucking car up. I thought he was pumping shit out, boys. He's fucking pumping diesel into his tanklets. Dogs, horses, bikes and vehicles not permitted beyond this side. That's what it said? Hey, what, motherfucker? Nah. Get on the backwards of this. Fuck off. Oh, they're not permitted in state reserves. That's up there. That's up there. We're not going up there. We're going in there. Where are you going for a pisswood?
No, I'm going to lock up here.
Oh, well, better do the same then. Don't forget to lock your fucking hubs in, boys.
Go from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive.
Got your GPS and all that shit turned on, bud? Or you filming through that, or both?
Both.
There you go.
Tassie Redneck four-wheel drive again.
Tassie Redneck! Into the belly of the beast, boys. Someone's fucking ran the fence. Check this out.
Yeah, it was like that the other day when
Was
I
it?
come through.
Someone's fucking ran her open. Whoa, boys. They're fucking drilling. They've got the drilling riggers. What are they fucking doing down here? You want to go and sort the machinery, rednecks? No. Right, we'll probably do it on the way back. Righto, let's go fucking four-wheel driving. Well, we're actually just going for a bit of a fucking sticky beak up here at the moment. This is not the four-wheel driving tracks that we're going to. Obviously, this ain't up the fucking mountain yet. Oh my goodness.
How deep's that?
pole drive. That'll do it what?
That.
Go to look. Alright boys, so we've got to go and do a fucking puddle test for him. I don't reckon it's that bad, but nah, you're right. Oh, a little bit. No, that's right. You're right, buddy. You're getting there.
Nah, it's not worth risking it.
Looks like they got the fucking high-tech, instrumental geotech air core and RC drilling. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Don't worry about it. Don't have to go through it. They filled her up.
What sort of base is it?
It's this gravel shit. It's the same as this. It's just all the way the same through. See? Just keep in the ruts, dude. Put it in low range, keep in the ruts. That's it. You're in low range?
No, I'm full drive.
Yeah.
Full drive.
Yeah. There you go. Now slow. That's it. There you go, boy. It's easy.
I'm happy about that, but I just didn't.
Yeah, you got to know your limits, don't you? Oh, look at this. Someone's got a little fucking monkey bike out there, boys. Someone's left a little monkey bike. Yeah, you got to find your limits, don't you?
Just track up here.
But you just got to watch what the base is, don't you? That's what you got to think about. That's the best. You know what you know you're doing. So have a bit of confidence in yourself, Rodney. There you go. Pick your best line. Have your fun in there if you want, or go in there.
I don't know how I'll go.
Yeah.
That lot, but more or less.
It was pretty fucking slimy in there. And this is a lot softer fucking. This isn't gravel, eh? This is sand. Look. Someone's taken out the corner there, boys. The ball bag's flapping. Which way you going? What did you say? Rip your dick off and hit you?
Something about take the ring off your finger.
Ah. If we pass the tree this time. Good shit, boy. And I didn't drop it.
We haven't finished yet.
Don't go in long grass that you can't see what's under it either. Because you don't want to pierce your tyres out with anything coming towards you, right? Well, do the windows up, boys. Don't hit the pram, boys.
Pram?
Someone's already hit the poor little bubby in the pram. Gundy. Nice little fucking skid pan there. Watch that shit, though. Oh, that's what we need, a skid pan, Casey. We need to find a skid pan. Care about selfie stick too.
What are they doing there?
Drilling for something. Let's ask them. Drilling for mustard, boys.
Yeah, we'll be right.
Cool driving man, yes, right. Doing some vintages. What are you checking for hydrocarbons and shit from the tip?
Pretty much methane and crap like that.
Hey?
Methane and crap like that.
Yeah.
Seeing exactly where the tip is as well.
Yeah, what the boundaries were with it. Well, you wouldn't know, would you? It's fucking that old.
Ah, no, there's fucking rubbish everywhere, man.
Yeah.
Where there's not supposed to be. They just dump shit everywhere.
Yeah. Cool. Do you mind if I take a photo of you drilling your thing?
Oh, you're not meant to, man.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh,
yeah, it's just the boss gets all fucking funny about it. Sorry, bro.
No worries, man. All good. Dude, have a good one.
See you later. Take a sneaky one if you want while you're driving.
Hey?
make a sneaky one if you want, but yeah.
40 am.
I look up.
Or he was, boys, eh? Now we know the story, eh?